Also, everything else is off the head. What you on you? No, that was off the head. Right there. That was off the head. No. Oh man, it's gonna be like off the head. If you off the head, I never got on here. Alright, I'll do off the head right here. That way. Give me a word. Give me a word. A word? Yeah, then I'll try to like round. Table. I don't know. Flower. Alright. Flower. I picked flower. Yeah. Check it. I'm so bored out my brain. I'm about to pour out my brain on this song like a drain and hope y'all can feel it. Big hello, and you can feel it through your mind together. Send up rhymes, you can feel it through your mind ripple. Okay, here's a little thing that I've been freestyle. I've been wild ever since a young child. I've been going through this page and one every so I'm just work. What the work? Now I think it's for me to get back to studying. It's time for me to go and play basketball. In the back when we love the ball. Got my nigga on the side, singing it up. And we gon' fight it every night when we bring it up. I got it all like a flame, doing it rough. And it rough, I be talking, I be doing it rough. Got my nigga recording this is on the YouTube. Now you better see me, I'm on the side of your ear like a Bluetooth. Listen to me closely, listen to me when I speak. It's nothing but truth. I preach to the youth, I preach to you. If you know what I mean, I'm not soft as a peach. If you know what I mean, if you know where I be in the LB, city, hanging with your girlfriend, and if she is pretty, I will take her out to the moon and come back like that, dude. I'm that rude, if you know what I'm talking about. And keep talking, I'm gonna have to walk it out like 5 of them, and walk it out like DJ Uncle. And after that, nigga, there's no money up for. I'm the motherfucking game man, rain man. I niggas never rain man. You lame man, I'm a motherfucking hit, and I don't see you like your dog. Y'all niggas is clowns, okay?